This video provides an overview of projects in OneData, their properties, and the most important resources for the creation of a new data product. The list of all the existing and available projects can be found navigating to the Projects area from the left side panel. Let's open one of those projects to see which properties they have and which resources can be found inside of a OneData project. The attributes of the project are displayed on top. These are metadata automatically generated by OneData like owner or modification date, as well as further information that can be added by the users, such as a description and keywords. Under Edit Project Meta Info, the project information can be edited. This includes the name, the description, and keywords. In the Notes section, more extensive documentation with links, images, and so on can be added. Once all the attributes are completed, click the Update Project button to save any changes. A OneData project contains all the resources needed to create a requested data product in a single development environment. Each of these boxes represents the different resource types that live in OneData. The most important resources for getting started with data product building are data tables, workflows, production lines, and schedules. Below there are quick access links to the most recently used resources, the last 5 workflow or production line executions, and the list of user groups that have access to the project. Further information about these topics can be found in other dedicated videos. Let's now have a look at the core resources. Data tables store structured or semi-structured data within OneData. They can be used to visualize and explore the data. Learn more in the video, Exploring Data Tables in OneData. Workflows allow to perform actions on the data. Within one workflow, you can load a data table, transform, process, analyze, etc. Eventually, the requested data product is saved and offered in the marketplace. Detailed information on workflows can be found in the video Building Workflows in OneData. Sometimes one single workflow is not enough for the creation of a new data product. Production lines allow to chain several workflows in a row and execute all of them, one after the other with a single click. Learn more in the video Creating Production Lines in OneData. To automate the execution of workflows or production lines, schedules can be defined. They can be triggered based with a preset time and frequency or based on a specific event like the update of an input table. To learn more about schedules, please watch the video Planning Schedules in OneData. Thank you for learning with us.